Hi, I'm Mark from PWS, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a classic 150 pull-out in just a few easy steps. It really is a doddle to fit. First, the base pull-out comes in one box, and there's no need to worry about the handing. Let's have a look inside the box and see what we've got. One instruction leaflet, 2 trays pre-mounted, 2 runners, 1 top runner, 1 bottom. And now I'm going to show you how to fit it. You need a minimum cabinet depth of 481mm. First of all, remove the left-hand side of the cabinet. There is no template provided. The top tip is to make your own. Mark up the 4 screw positions to take the runners as shown in the instructions. Fix the soft closing runner to the top position and screw to fix. Replace the side of the cabinet. First, remove these clips. Push the trays onto the runners. Fix the brackets to the back of the door as per the instructions, where Y is the door overlay to the bottom of the cabinet and Z is the door overlay to the side of the cabinet. Now attach the door to the trays. Adjustment is toolless and 3-dimensional. Up and down, in and out, and side to side. Just to recap, mark up the screw positions of the top and bottom runner. Fix the self-closing runner to the top of the cabinet. Fix the other runner to the bottom of the cabinet. Mark up the door and fix the trays and frame in position. And that really is it. How to fit a 150 base pull-out in a few easy steps. Doddle.